Hello, everyone. Um, Welcome. This week we're focusing on multiplication. The first set of problems are designed to have you think critically, and yeah, they may feel a little challenging, but they're all problems you're capable of solving. Just may take you setting up a strategy, like a book lying open on a desk. Well, if I have a book lying open, and let's say the book's, let's say here we have a book. So here's our two sides of our book. If this is page 4, this is page 5, and you said, think about it, what's the product of those two pages? Well, 4 times 5 would be 20. So that's what the first problem is really asking about. Now, the second problem is talking about cows and geese. Well, how many legs does a cow have? 4. How many legs does geese have? 2. So, if you think about it, the total number of their legs is 48, the total number of their heads is 17. So you're trying to say, well, if I had 15 cows, let's say, and then you had, well, think about it, if I have 15 cows, there's a total of 17 heads. So 15 cows is 15 heads. I'd have then 2 geese. So if I think about how many total legs is that, well, what's 15 times 4 is 60. Plus 4, so this would be a total of 64 legs. Well, that doesn't work because it tells us we only have 48. So again, think about how you could set up a chart and solve it. The next one, the next two are just getting you thinking about, multiple steps to solving the problem. What are the different parts of it? So think openly, but also think creatively. Day 2 is really about partial products. So if you had the idea of, 24 groups of 25, thinking about, well, okay, do I want to break up the 24 or the 25? I would probably say I have 25 groups of 20, and I have 25 groups of 4. And add those together. But again, use partial products, use area model, whatever works best for you. And the last one is the diamond, where you're going to come up with 2 different strategies, a visual model, and then a story problem. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of structure. But really, the first day of this is just take your time and think logically how the problem could work, and think about the different ways that you could organize your information in a way to help you solve the problem.